cover the entire car. It is so cold out here. And you can see how tall that is compared to him. That big, huge mountain over there. We don't have that much road space, as you can see. We got close to the car. Stop. I think it is. These are over a foot long. I'd say probably about, this is about 15 inches long. As you can see, here disappears. That snow hasn't even been touched. The car is covered. 2 days ago, it was completely clear. Because after my driveway has been somewhat shoveled, can't even walk up my porch. It's completely covered. And if I step in this, it'll go up past my knees. And I'm 6'2". And I'm going to try it because it's really cold. Go! Go potty!